In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable links to your YouTube video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and after you are signed in, go to library. Then tap at your videos. It will show you the list of all your videos on your channel. Then just search for a video in which you would like to add a clickable link. Let it be that one. Tap at three dots next to it, select edit, and then tap at add description. That's where we can add a description for our video. We can enter there some text, and also we can add clickable links. To do that, just enter https column / and then your URL. Or you can just paste URL from the clipboard. Just do not forget to use https column / at the start of your URL to make the link clickable. Once you've done with that, go back and do not forget to tap at save. That's how you can easily add clickable links to your YouTube videos.